Perched on a steep pyramidal hill in the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, the walled city of Jajce is a living chronicle of stone and water. Founded in the 14th century by the powerful Duke Hrvoje Vukčić-Hrvatinik, this fortress would become the final royal capital of the Bosnian kingdom. Its might is embodied by the Jajce Fortress, whose ramparts stretch over 1,300 meters, offering breathtaking views from its 470-meter-high vantage point. Above the main entrance, the royal coat of arms of the Kotromanic dynasty still watches over the city. Jajce's history is written in its very stones. It was here, in 1461, that the last Bosnian king, Stephen Tomasevic, was crowned, only for the kingdom to fall to the Ottomans 2 years later. Within the fortress walls lies one of the city's most mysterious treasures, the Jajce catacombs. Carved directly into the living rock around the year 1400 as a tomb for Duke Hrvoje, this underground church with its Gothic dome is a rare and well-preserved medieval monument. But the soul of Jajce is its water. At the city's very core, where the serene Pliva River meets the wild Vrbas, the magnificent Pliva Waterfall erupts. This 22-meter-high cascade is a unique natural wonder, famously known as one of the only waterfalls in the world located in a city center. A short journey upstream reveals the tranquil Pliva Lakes, where a cluster of centuries-old wooden watermills stand on a travertine barrier, preserved as a national monument and a charming open-air museum. From a royal stronghold to a key site of the former Yugoslavia, Jajce is a place where empires have risen and fallen, leaving behind a legacy etched into its fortress walls, whispered in its catacombs, and thundering through its magnificent waterfall. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.